Just like you saw yesterday, we are at the dawn of a new age. Snapdragon is reimagining technologies with computing, and I cannot be more excited. We are bringing powerful generative AI to the device to create innovative new experiences. We are fortifying Snapdragon's position as the platform for the next generation of AI and computing. SnapdragonXElite is a groundbreaking chip that will transform all of your expectations from your computer. If you can think it, your PC can create it, fulfilling the promise of a true personal computer. To give you a deeper look into the best-in-class performance of SnapdragonXElite, I'd like to welcome Manju to the stage.
SnapdragonXElite is designed for this next era of modern AI computing. It's the most powerful, intelligent, and efficient processor ever created in its class for Windows. We know consumers expect to use laptops for workloads like professional content generation, heavy browsing, gaming, office productivity, and video conferencing. Today, users want a laptop that can keep up with their busy and mobile lifestyle. Who wants to be carrying around a bulky charger and be plugged in all the time? This is why users want a sleek form factor with an incredible battery life. SnapdragonXElite's breakthrough 4-nanometer chip is a massive leap above anything else in its class. It all starts with the all-new, custom Qualcomm Orion CPU. It's a beast, and as you saw yesterday, it blows away the competition on both performance and power efficiency. In fact, our design philosophy was to make intentional choices to ensure that we deliver the ultimate performance without compromising on power efficiency. It's got both the muscle and the brains. SnapdragonXElite features a tri-cluster design with 12 high-performance cores running up to 3.8 gigahertz. As Alex mentioned yesterday, it also includes our new dual-core boost feature. So you can have 2 high-performance cores kick up to 4.3 gigahertz for ultra-fast responsiveness. It's great for workloads like application launches, browsing, and just overall snappier user experiences. And this is the first CPU on ARM-based architecture to hit over 4 gigahertz. It's tuned for optimizing sustained, compute-intensive workloads like video transcoding, large dataset analysis, or code compilation, while still offering incredible battery life. Combined with state-of-the-art CPU memory architecture design, Qualcomm Orion CPU can quickly handle modern, large dataset workloads. Now, here's what you're going to see. Large instruction cache design, which is also coherent, to handle complex workloads like browsing. Memory management and address translation architecture design that improves performance for multitask applications requiring virtualization and the use of hypervisor. 42 megabytes of total cache. 8 channels of LPDDR5X with 136 gigabyte per second memory bandwidth. And you're getting the best power efficiency thanks to a sophisticated branch predictor and advanced power management design. Our highly optimized scheduler design can efficiently handle multiple threads across these 3 clusters. Even more amazing is that we can take the same chip and work with our partners to scale it across a broad range of thermal designs. That's a huge benefit to our OEM partners because it simplifies the process of creating laptops across so many form factors. So users get to choose the form factor that works for them while getting leading performance and power efficiency, whether it's a 2-in-1 ultra portable or all the way up to laptops with large displays. If we take a look at Cinebench, we deliver up to 2 times faster CPU performance versus our competitors' high-end 14-core laptop chip at the same power. And we can match their peak performance at 65% less power. And when compared to M2, Snapdragon XElite delivers up to 2 times faster peak performance. Now this is what game-changing performance looks like. Now let's talk about the premium integrated Adreno GPU, which delivers stunning graphics performance up to 4.6 teraflops with incredible power efficiency. You heard yesterday from Alex how Snapdragon XElite has up to 2 times faster GPU performance versus the competition at the same power. And we match our competitor peak performance at 74% less power. With this, you will be able to watch your favorite 4K movie, edit visual content, and more without compromising on battery life. When it comes to display support, Snapdragon XElite allows for an internal monitor up to a 4K 120Hz HDR10 monitor. You can connect 3 UHD or 2 5K displays. It's also the first Snapdragon compute platform that features upgradable drivers, so you can stay up to date with the best performance levels across GPU workloads.
For years, creative professionals in film and video have been turning to DaVinci Resolve. We're the world's only solution that combines editing, color grading, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production in one software tool for breathtaking cinematic results. You can collaborate with others in real time, and you don't have to switch applications. With millions of users, DaVinci Resolve is used by the highest-end creatives and most demanding pros in the industry. We also offer a fully featured free version as well, as we're dedicated to allowing anyone to use Hollywood-quality software for our video editing. There's no monthly license, no ads, and no user tracking. Anyone can download it free of charge from our website now. The paid version of DaVinci Resolve, called DaVinci Resolve Studio, includes a suite of powerful AI-oriented capabilities widely used by the Hollywood community. Things like Magic Mask for instant object tracking and rotoscoping, AI-driven automatic subtitling and editing, or voice isolation and dialogue leveler for great-sounding audio. We know that creative professionals worldwide need more tools at their disposal for the dynamic landscape of multimedia production. This means delivering powerful and exciting new features that can tap into all the high-performance capabilities of your laptop, so your creative work can happen wherever you need it to be. That's why we're so excited to launch DaVinci Resolve running native ARM64 on Windows on Snapdragon in 2024. Snapdragon XElite is a game changer with incredible multiprocessor performance and real-world efficiency to tackle complex workloads like our object tracking, speech-to-text editing, or scene relighting with low power consumption. We've been working closely with Qualcomm Technologies to see what Snapdragon XElite can do, and what we've seen is really promising. For example, with our compute-intensive AI-enabled Magic Mask, Snapdragon XElite was 1.7 times faster than a premium 12-core Windows processor with an integrated GPU. Impressive. And Magic Mask running on the integrated NPU was 3 times faster than that same 12-core processor. That's really exciting. As our platform evolves on Snapdragon, we look forward to our users being able to push their artistic intent and imaginations to the limit. Snapdragon XElite is built for AI, and as the use of AI continues to grow in the world of visual effects, we're working with Qualcomm Technologies to optimize DaVinci Resolve and offer new, exciting AI accelerated capabilities, unleashing new potential for our community of millions of creatives around the world. We can't wait to see what they create.
To give you an in-depth look at how Snapdragon XElite is bringing the future of AI to the PC, here's Anya.
You already know that Snapdragon XElite delivers best-in-class performance and battery life. However, the next step change for PCs is how the silicon uses that performance and efficiency to bring entirely new, more personalized AI experiences right on the device. And Snapdragon XElite is the leader in on-device AI for laptops. Snapdragon XElite can support Gen AI models over 13 billion parameters. And of course, we also support the very popular 7 billion parameter models. These are big numbers that lead the industry. But what's most important is how fast these models run on device. Snapdragon XElite can run 7 billion parameter models at 30 tokens per second, which means your AI assistant can respond to your questions at blazingly fast speeds. Let's take a look at Stable Diffusion. If you compare this to our competitor, we are 2.7 times faster at generating images with Stable Diffusion 1.5. But through software optimizations, our fast Stable Diffusion can generate images in less than 1 second, making us 20 times faster. Let's look at the Qualcomm Hexagon NPU, the heart of the Qualcomm AI engine, which really sets us apart from the competition when it comes to inferencing heavy AI workloads. We made lots of upgrades over the previous generation. First, we added a new power delivery system, which provides the Hexagon NPU the freedom to adapt power to the workload. It can crank the performance all the way up for heavy workloads or bring it way down for extreme power savings. We also added microtile inferencing, our unique approach to accelerating complex AI models like transformer networks. There are upgrades to the tensor accelerator, which is now 2.5 times faster for large matrix processing. And we are doubling the size of the shared memory for accommodating larger neural networks. This advanced architecture results in an impressive 45 TOPS of AI performance. That's not all. Our world-class AI engine has upgrades across the board. The new Qualcomm Orion CPU is up to 5 times faster on AI inference performance, and it's optimized to support latency-sensitive workloads. The Adreno GPU has up to 50% higher AI compute performance, and the DDR memory has higher bandwidth into all these cores. When it comes to AI benchmarks, we continue to lead the way. User experience benchmarks like Procyon from UL have shown that our Hexagon NPU is up to 10 times faster than the competition. This means you'll have a seamless experience when you're running video conferencing effects like background blur or noise suppression, or applying AI filters when video or photo editing. We made upgrades to the Qualcomm Sensing Hub as well. Snapdragon is transforming the way people use laptops, and a lot of modern AI PC use cases demand low power, always-on AI, like AI noise cancellation and AI assistance. That's why we're making the micro NPU more powerful, up to 2 times faster to support these use cases. We're also the first to add an always sensing ISP that unlocks advanced security features such as presence detection. All told, Snapdragon XElite is the most advanced low-power architecture in the industry. When it comes to software, our developers are top of mind, and we continue to make our AI stack and make improvements to make development faster and easier on Snapdragon compute platforms. We added Onyx runtime support for quick access to our silicon, and with Snapdragon XElite, we're adding support for the Microsoft Compute Driver Model, or MCDM. Because of this, one of the cool features is now you can see the Hexagon NPU in the Task Manager. Let's see the Hexagon NPU in action. Here you have someone creating an image with Stable Diffusion. You can see that it's offloading the workload onto our NPU, freeing CPU and GPU resources for other tasks and optimizing for performance. We have put our very best into Snapdragon XElite. This includes drawing on our mobile heritage and bringing the best of our smartphone technology to the PC. To hear more about the smart user experiences powered by Snapdragon, I'd like to welcome my colleague Sasha to the stage.
When it comes to camera, audio, and connectivity, there's a good chance that your smartphone can run laps around your PC. And that's not a coincidence. For the past decade, users have kept asking their smartphones to do more and more. And that's driven so much of the innovation behind Snapdragon. And up until a few years ago, only gamers and creators were really asking that much from their PCs, not the average user. But now that more people are working from more places, they expect their PCs to be just as mobile as their smartphones. That means they have to connect just as easily and reliably. With Snapdragon XElite, we're bringing the best of our mobile technologies to the PC, so you really can work from anywhere. That starts with premium connectivity. We've got 5G, we've got 4G, we've got all the Gs. Snapdragon XElite can reach download speeds up to 10 gigabits per second on mobile networks. It also has the Qualcomm Fast Connect 7800, the world's fastest and most versatile connectivity system. With Wi-Fi 7, with HBS Multilink and dual Bluetooth, you can feel the blazing fast speeds for all your favorite online experiences, like cloud gaming, streaming, and wireless audio. If you're working from anywhere, you're probably constantly using the camera on your PC, as video conferencing has become one of the top uses for a laptop. I probably spend 4 hours in video calls every day. However, it's estimated that 98% of laptops have a low-quality camera with 1 megapixel or less. You can get better image quality on an old flip phone. So with Snapdragon XElite, we're leading the PC industry in the switch from USB to MIPI cameras. MIPI offers more advanced image signal processing than USB for better image and video quality on the same pixel size. You can also run more advanced AI processing, there I said AI, for on-device experiences like facial recognition and adaptive dimming. It's also more power efficient, which you really need when you're in that 7th Teams meeting of the day from the water slide. These superior cameras are already standard in phones, and through years of collaboration and expertise in AI, Snapdragon XElite can finally bring smartphone-level video quality and efficiency to your PC. Of course, you use your PC for more than just work. If you can stream entertainment from anywhere, it should sound great, which is why nearly 70% of consumers look for lossless audio support in their devices. Snapdragon XElite includes Snapdragon Sound, which gives it immersive, lossless, spatial audio. So you can hear every detail with low latency, perfect clarity, space, and depth. And aptX audio technology and Qualcomm high-speed link technology work together to ensure rock-solid connectivity, even in the busiest environments where there's a lot of interference from other devices. So from connectivity to entertainment, Snapdragon XElite brings next-generation smartphone experiences to the next-generation PC. To hear more of how we're accelerating the shift to Snapdragon for the commercial segment, I'd like to welcome Nitin to the stage.
Half of the PC sales are through commercial segment. It's a massive user base. And we have been working directly with CIOs, IT leaders, and business executives to address their needs. And we continue to hear from business leaders that workforce are becoming more mobile, making privacy and security more important than ever. To date, over 500 enterprises have tested or deployed PCs powered with Snapdragon in their environment. What they are looking for is digital transformation, which is exactly why they are interested in Snapdragon. Snapdragon XElite comes with the latest end-to-end security, protecting the fleet of devices from chip to cloud. The dedicated Qualcomm SPU secure processing unit supports Microsoft Pluton security architecture, which is designed to store sensitive data. There are zero trust sensors for location, identity, biometric connection, and device health management. Device resilience auto-heals by detecting and recovering corrupt firmware and BIOS. Snapdragon XElite has Microsoft Secured Core certification for the most secure Windows devices out of the box. So with Snapdragon, you're getting the latest innovations and protection to help secure the entire enterprise fleet of devices. We are also enabling new experiences that can drive productivity, reduce costs, and improve customer service. In my conversations with enterprise executives, they make clear that AI is the key to drive new opportunities. In fact, 94% of business leaders indicate that AI has already improved their productivity at work. 94%. And diving deeper, among IT decision makers, AI is the biggest factor, the #1 factor impacting their buying decision. New research says that nearly half of IT decision makers are already ready to switch PC brands based on AI performance. The size of the opportunity is massive, and Snapdragon XElite is meeting the moment. Now let's talk about Snapdragon ecosystem. Bringing this technology to life is no small feat. And as always, we couldn't have done it alone. We relentlessly collaborate with our partners across the entire PC industry, entire PC ecosystem, to ensure that every part of value chain is optimized for Snapdragon. This includes working with key ODMs, IBVs, IHVs, and many other partners to help drive the innovation and reimagine the PC form factor, reimagine the PC firmware, reimagine the PC software. And all of this in pursuit of our mission to redefine the premium PC and deliver revolutionary enhancements and new functionalities. We are rolling out more tools and support to make it easier for our developers to port their application and enhance it with AI. Every day, we are seeing more and more Windows applications running native on Snapdragon, like you saw with our friends at Blackmagic Design earlier. We are already seeing advantages up to 25% versus competition. And that's not even the best part. We are working with trailblazers who are tapping into our on-device intelligence to enhance their applications. they've been able to utilize our integrated NPU to accelerate new AI features and use cases. Let's take a look at some of them.
Boosting performance,
ultra low power,
completely on device.
The awesome power of Snapdragon XElite.
The world of AI can make everything more convenient and imaginative than ever before.
By incorporating AI, we are unlocking new possibilities.
Bringing the app to Windows on Snapdragon was an obvious choice. For one thing, we can take all of Camo's AI features and bring them entirely on device.
The groundbreaking integrated NPU on Snapdragon XElite can accelerate our enterprise AI solution, and we have found that it can help protect against data leakage, improve privacy, and slash compliance costs.
Our characters go beyond large language models and scripted chatbot responses because they can learn, they can adapt, recall the memories, and show emotional intelligence. Running our AI workloads on device versus cloud allows us to optimize further.
It's built for AI with its impressive NPU. It opens up a new dimension of intelligent experience that can run on device.
By utilizing the micro NPU, our platform can run faster, smoother, and more seamless than ever before. It unlocks even more potential for AI running on device.
And learning about the integrated NPU has gotten us even more excited.
The powerful NPU can run our AI models on device to help generate the music needed for content. It can run our AI models with blazing fast speed and performance.
Head tracking, facial recognition, and gesture recognition.
Accelerating features such as our sky replacement to change the background of an image or video, or image denoise to sharpen a picture. All faster and more performant than ever.
Creators and streamers can tap into cutting-edge AI capabilities like Spotlight to tune their lighting.
When we saw the potential, we realized this is the future of what to expect from your PC.
We can run AI features 10 to 30 times, and in some cases, a whopping 100 times faster.
This chip will allow us to implement low latency experiences that the gamers will love.
It starts with Snapdragon and makes AI more accessible than ever.
We are so excited to bring our AI on the edge solution to Snapdragon XElite.
It is truly incredible to see so much energy in the ISV and developer community for Snapdragon XElite. We have got a rich ecosystem of partners who are just as excited to innovate on the next generation of Snapdragon. Together with our OEM partners, we are in lockstep to revolutionize the PC and deliver the best devices for consumers and enterprise users. This will change the computing world. Let's hear more from them, and then Kedar will come back on the stage to wrap the session up.
Snapdragon XElite.
Snapdragon XElite.
Snapdragon XElite.
It's a game changer.
You want this power at your fingertips at all times.
Powerful performance.
Generative AI will change the way we use laptops.
And this will unleash incredible innovation.
Best in class AR accelerated experience.
Leveraging AI to elevate the user experience.
The ability to run generative AI applications locally will enable more personalized experiences.
Groundbreaking AI features and lightning-fast 5G.
Continually pushing the boundaries of performance.
The best experience and achieve the highest productivity.
Smarter, faster.
Incredible battery life.
Improve latency. Provide better security and privacy protections.
Our customers will be more productive than ever.
I am grateful for Qualcomm Technologies partnership.
Congratulations from Lenovo,
Asus and Snapdragon,
Acer and Qualcomm.
We at Samsung couldn't be more excited for Snapdragon XElite.
In addition to everything we've seen so far, we are building a lot of momentum and energy in the casual gaming world as well. Snapdragon XElite is designed to deliver immersive gaming experiences. Here's an early look at just a few of the games and studios that we're working with. I can sum up the last 2 days by saying we are on a mission to build the best PC platforms in the world. This vision starts in the silicon, with Snapdragon XElite being the most powerful, intelligent, and efficient processor for Windows in its class. It delivers up to twice the performance compared to our competitors. It matches their peak performance at a third of the power. Our integrated NPU delivers 45 TOPS. That's 4.5 times our x86 competitors. Snapdragon XElite is designed to power the modern AI PC for all kinds of users in all kinds of form factors. You've heard from many of our leading partners like Microsoft, Lenovo, HP, Acer, Asus, Samsung, Honor. There is more to come. Our consumer and commercial channel partners are thrilled for all the products coming to market mid-2024. We are proud to be such an important part of driving this PC innovation forward. These devices powered by Snapdragon XElite will be like none other. Snapdragon XElite is performance reborn. Thank you for your time today.